home in my kids' room, but we were looking for something that would cover a bigger area. So that way, if we have it downstairs, it covers the sunroom, the living room, the kitchen, the playroom. And if we have it upstairs, it covers all the rooms and also the office. So this is a great product specifically for that because it covers an area of up to 1,000 square feet. So that is a really great area of coverage, and that way we don't have to have multiple devices all over the different rooms. So this product is amazing. I'm going to show you how it works and all the features that it has. So we're going to turn it on first.